Today, I'll show you how to change the club logo in FC25 Ultimate Team. So begin by launching the game and then select Ultimate Team. Then from here, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to club, or alternatively, you can press the L2 button and select club from the options that appear. So choose that, and then within the club's options, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to stadium and select that. So within the stadium options, select the club option, and then from here, select the badge option, is usually the first one, so select it, and now choose another badge or logo as it's called. So choose another logo. So for instance, let's use this one, and once you select it, exit, and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.